are going to start ripping out the bathroom, which leaves every other room in this house a mess because we have to move out of this bathroom and we will be sharing a bathroom with Sawyer until this project is complete. So here's the before. All right, so welcome to our bathroom. This is Keith's side, then that's my side, that's my closet, and then a little bathroom. Basically what we're gonna do is we are going to rip everything out. So this is like a little linen closet, and my closet doesn't have a door, so it's ugly, but it is what it is. So we're ripping out this closet, and then this whole entire countertop is obviously gonna be ripped out. So we're going to do like rip that out, and then we're gonna put the new cabinets all the way from like the wall to where this one currently ends, but it will be a new one. And then instead of this closet, there will be like an upper cabinet right there, and then a little makeup counter thing right here. The sink will probably be in a similar location, if maybe not a little bit over. And then this lovely jet bathtub that is ginormous. It's a great bug collector, and it is so big that the hot water tank can't even keep up. And by the time the tub was like half full, it was cold. So this served zero purpose, and I'm also not a big bath person, but you know, you gotta have a bath in your house. So this is getting ripped out completely, and we have a freestanding bathtub that is coming. So the freestanding tub will go there, and then we have like a little pretty faucet that will probably go in the corner. And then Keith's side, same thing, is gonna get ripped out, new cabinets, and then he's gonna have an upper cabinet right here to match my side. And then this beast of a shower. So this shower is like a dungeon. There's zero airflow in there aside from this little tiny hole, which can't even get to the fan. So we are basically, what we're gonna do is, maybe let me stand over here. I'm gonna do kind of like a half wall here, and then glass will be on top. This will come out. We'll open it all the way up to the ceiling, so there will be better airflow. So it'll be all open, and then this and this will be glass. I'm excited, but this is the before of our lovely bathroom. So it is our first time leasing pasture, and it's actually connected to our property. So Keith put in a gate this morning because we're gonna let the horses out of this mud hole. It's been a super warm, wet winter so far, which is not fun for the horses or the cows. So they've been sniffing out the fence here. They know it's here. We just want to make sure they don't run away completely. Come on. Come here, Comanche. Here they come. Okay. Good boy. Yeah.
Just coming off.
Yeah. It's just gross. Glad we're doing it. Okay, it's dinner time. Keith's still working in the bathroom. I had a tri-tip defrosting and it didn't defrost because the sink drained. So, I don't know. Sometimes I'm just kind of like, what vegetarian dinner can I make really quick? Because everybody's hungry. It is 5:30 and the kids go to bed at 7. We go to bed at 8. So our evenings just kind of get a little busy. But I'm just going to do a sliced cauliflower, roast it in the oven, make kind of a vinaigrette, probably do some quinoa. I don't really have the energy to do anything different. So now we'll just put all this in a bowl. Love these from Costco. Put it on a pan and put it in the oven. These are stainless steel pans with like none of the bad cookware toxins. They are my new favorite kitchen item. It's on Amazon. So one thing to note about stainless steel is there's always a number. So there's 2 numbers, like a first number and a second number. And I think if I remember right, the second number is like how much nickel is in it. So keep that in mind when you're buying stainless steel products. Is yes, they might be stainless, but they still might have metals that you don't want to mix with like acidic things like tomatoes or lemons or whatever, because it makes the nickel come out more. My like go-to seasonings for a lot of things are salt. I like Celtic salt, pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. That's like pretty much the base of a lot of my seasonings. So I did that tonight, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut aminos on here. If your Costco has this brand, stock up. Our Costco only has it like once in a blue moon. So every time they have it on the shelf, I get like 12, literally. Because then it's like they won't have it until like next year. It's insane and annoying. But this one is so good. I do not like the Bragg's one. The coconut aminos from Bragg's, gross. Super gross. This one tastes just like teriyaki sauce. Okay, so we got our mixture going on. We'll top this with some green onions. Add a little rice wine vinegar.
That's really good.
Yummy. You can have some of the little pieces that are in here. You can have that raw.
Yeah, the little pieces.
Problem though, when you measure with your heart, you never remember what you did. So then your husband's like, oh, it's so good. You should save the recipe for this so we can have it more often. And you're like, sure. I don't know what I did, but we'll do our best.
I have more.
Good? Everybody agrees.
Yep, it's good. Can you make this again?
Can you hear this? My kids are eating veggies and they asked for it again.
We love veggies.
Not even done. Keith a coffee and I had a sneak peek, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like behind door number bathroom remodel. Okay, so give us a tour.
A tour?
Yeah. So, what did we find last night? We found, well, I guess we did find mold, I guess, but it was only in the step, which is bizarre because the shower water never hit the step ever. But you can see like the wet remainder here, and then it only went up like about that far on just this side, which this wall is gonna remain, so we'll have to probably replace, oh, you took it out, the board that was wet.
Yeah. You can see that was the floor. It was super wet.
Oh, okay.
The step. That
So
was
that's
the step that was wet. And then there was a little bit right here. on this floor.
Okay, so all the moldy, wet pieces are gone.
Yeah, now I need to just get the cement board off the
Ceiling.
which a bunch of insulation is gonna fall out.
That's gonna be fun for you.
And then I need to take out the floor.
Uh-huh.
So,
Okay.
and then I think we're gonna take this wall
Out.
and move. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the part we have to kind of like figure out because like hypothetically in our heads it sounded better at the time because this wall right here is gonna be glass. So currently it's like baseball diamond shaped and we don't love that. So we want to bring this out and this out to make kind of like a rectangle shower, and this will be like, see how there's power there, that has to stay, and then the controls for the shower will be on the other side.
Like a half wall.
Yeah, so we'll cut half a wall, then the top will be glass. We're not going glass all the way to the ceiling. Aesthetically, I'd love to, but because we've dealt with a dungeon shower for so long and knowing the moisture issues that we've had, we want to leave an opening along the top. So where he opened up to, that obviously is going to remain open. Over here, it's going to be open, glass, pony wall, and then the bathroom's behind this wall. And we wanted to make this the same height of glass, but now we don't know how to stop the ceiling.
Toilet's behind that wall.
What'd I say?
Bathroom.
Oh yeah, of course. The toilet room is behind that wall. So we have to figure out how we're gonna dice the wall to match, but like
I still think we
obviously.
should just put a window in there.
So you could sit down and have a view or what?
Like open the window when I'm like, you're in the shower and I'm in the bathroom toilet.
Yeah, you could like, what? Wash your hands while you're on the toilet.
Let you smell what I'm cooking.
The floor tile and the shower tile, it's the same, but the shower tile will be squares just like, oh my gosh, I thought that was gonna get my toe.
See how wet it is?
Yeah, nasty. Full transparency, this bathroom has not smelled good ever. Like, you could not clean this bathroom enough. It never smelled clean. Now we know why. And I guarantee you, that's why I've had this lovely face rash and have felt sick since we lived here. This one, hey, tell the camera that you basically thought I was crazy. Let's hear it.
You are crazy.
I'm not crazy. I swore this bathroom had mold in it and that's where all my health issues were coming from. And my loving husband said, no, there's no mold in the bathroom. It's all in your head. Stop watching those crazy videos.
I haven't found mold.
Well, yeah, what was all that black stuff on the thing?
Moisture.
Okay, well, moisture is mold. So, tell our friends that you're wrong and I'm right. I'm still waiting for my public apology. I am getting grain for the horses. The kids and Keith are gonna go check the mail. The horses are out on our lease pasture because their little like corral area was so muddy. We've had kind of like an unusually warm winter. Like it's cold, but nothing's frozen. So normally around this time we'd have like snow or it would be really, really cold. January is definitely our coldest. And it's not. Everything is like wet and muddy, so it's a mess. Literally a mess. But anyways, so I'm getting their grain. We're gonna kind of like shake the buckets and see if they come running. See if we can't entice them to come home. Because the water is in their corral. Obviously food and water is in their corral, and like where they are right now, they're on pasture essentially. There's like no, I mean there's a little grass, but it's not like the grass you'd expect like for them to be like it's not sufficient. Is that the word I'm looking for? So they've been happily grazing, kind of roaming around, learning their new area, but there's no water down there. So I don't want them to get into a situation where they don't have water, they're eating grass, they're not eating the food they're used to, and then like they colic or something. So we're trying to go get them back up here so they remember where their water is. Okay. You're getting in all the way back too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think one.
Well, just hold it there. It's cold. Okay. You in? Sawyer and I just took the horses some grain. And now we gotta walk home. Not too far, huh? It's just steep. Pretty sunset tonight, though.
Yeah.
It was nice to see the horsies for a little bit. They can come to and from their little round pen where their food and water is. They just haven't wanted to. Whew, I'm out of shape.
It's gonna get bumpy.
Get bumpy. Look who came to get us. My knight in shining camo. Fancy finding you here. You came to get us?
Yep.
Didn't think we would make it up the hill.
Hurry up, slowpoke.
Look who came to get us. He didn't think we could manage. One out of shape mom, one short-legged kid, but we made it. All right, you want to get in? Oh my, I just tripped you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You getting in the back? Oh, okay. I'm gonna sit in the front with Daddy.